I'm making a movie about Amy's booty. Her booty's so white. That booty's so right. I wanna smack it and grab it. Amy, I'm in love with your booty. Can I marry it?
No.
Please?
No.
I'll buy you roses.
No.
I'll booty dance with you.
No.
I'll drive a Dodge.
It's okay.
Whoa! That scared the shit out of her, didn't I? Dude, did you see me jump out from behind the wall, bro? That was awesome. Oh shit, watch out. Come on, not the ball. Dick kicker! Dick kicker unite. My dick is in danger! Oh, I'm in Jake's truck. I did it. All by myself. Everybody's fucked because they're all locked out. And now I get to drive away and laugh at them because they can't get in. Hi. How the fuck was that door unlocked? I locked all the doors.
They're all unlocked.
Oh, when you turn the car on, they unlock automatically?
Open the car!
Fuck, dude, I'm out of breath. Yeah, I locked that door.
Sorry. Because Casey needs the front. Not in front. I'm sorry.
All right. All right, guys.
Front seat.
We like to say a lot of shit like safety first, then teamwork. So if you can, put a fucking seatbelt on.
I'm gonna want to see it.
If you die, I'll go to your funeral and I will cry, but I will not give a fuck because I told you so.
Oh, whatever. If I died, you wouldn't give a fuck.
No, I'm just saying, like, I mean, I wouldn't give a fuck about, like, it wouldn't haunt my conscience because I told you to put on a seatbelt.
Oh, whatever.
That's what I meant.
What the fuck ever,
It's not gonna haunt my
dude.
conscience because I told you to put on a seatbelt.
All right, you spit all over my face, dude.
That wasn't spit, it was love juice.
Chill your fucker.
Dude,
Chill your fucker.
if I get herpes the next morning, I'm gonna be pissed.
All right, assholes, where the fuck am I driving?
IHOP!
No.
I hope we go there too often.
No.
Can we go to Perkins?
Can we go to your mom's
Yes!
house?
Perkins, I love that place.
Guys,
Perkins
can
is
we
so much
just-
better.
No.
Yes. Perkins, dude, definitely Perkins.
Or wherever
Take
you
over with this, just hold it. It's already doing what it does.
Oh my god, it's still recording! Dude, it's still fucking recording!
Oh shit, it's